Today, we are learning ICT 2022 YouTube memberships in 4 minutes. Hey traders, we all know that ICT talks a lot in his videos, and they can be very long. Sometimes, there are a total of 41 videos for the ICT 2022 YouTube mentorship, which can be very overwhelming for you to go through all of them. In today's video, I'm not here to reteach you his concepts, but I'm going to share all of my takeaways, and summarize from 41 videos in 4 minutes. Hopefully, this video can refresh your memories of you or serve as a starting point to start learning ICT mentorships and his concepts. However, it is still advised for you to watch all of the ICT videos for a full understanding of his concepts because there are so many ideas that are not covered in this video. First of all, time is an important factor because, as mentioned by ICT, algorithms are used based on specific time. Therefore, we have to look at the time first before we even look at the price. ICT calls them kill zones. Kill zones are time windows for Asian, London, and New York trading sessions. Make sure you always change your time zone to New York or view the market through the lens of the New York time zone. The best time to trade for the London session is between 2 to 5 a.m. Eastern Time for a New York session and 7 to 11 Eastern Time for futures or equity. It will be between 8:30 to 11 a.m. Make sure you take note of the 9:30 equities open as well. The afternoon session will be between 1:30 to 3 p.m. according to ICT. Price is always drawing to liquidity stops and imbalance because the algorithm only runs on two principles: liquidity rebalancing and creating imbalance. Price moves toward liquidity, also known as retail stop loss, during a certain period or kill zones. The buy side liquidity is the stop loss resting above the old highs, and the sell side liquidity is the stop loss resting below the old lows. A fair value gap is when the price moves too quickly or too fast in one direction, creating a gap inside candlesticks. Usually, the price will move back or retrace to fill those gaps. A fair value gap is often a very good entry point. For daily bias, we use the power of 3 to identify our daily likely bias. Power 3 is how a candlestick forms when the price opens. It goes into accumulation, then manipulation and distribution of price to neither a bullish nor bearish direction. When we expect a bullish bias, we can look for buy-side liquidity pools that reside in that direction and look for our entry point, which is often our fair value gap. Market structure shift or breaking market structure. Market structure shift happens when there's a shift in an opposite direction with displacement. The market structure break in a bullish market is where the price moves from a lower low to a new higher high and from a higher high to a new lower low in a bearish market. The fair value gap often comes right after a market structure shift where we can hunt for an entry setup. Equilibrium premiums and discounts can identify them by drawing a fib and creating a range for the bullish market. You will look to buy in a discount area the lower half for a bearish market. You look to sell in a premium area the upper half. This can be understood in a very logical way. It is like going shopping, you always want to buy things at a discount. If you're a businessman, you always want to sell your Beijing corn as high as possible at a premium price, and the market maker uses the same logic. This is not a complete picture of what ICT teaches in his mentorship. It is highly recommended to check out all of his videos to fully understand the strategy. The sole purpose of this video is to refresh your memory or give you a short and quick introduction to what I have learned from ICT 2022 YouTube mentorship. Go and check out my previous video if you're not sure where or how to start learning ICT. Alright traders, always remember to apply what you learn in the market. I have shared notes from episodes 2 to 10. I'll put a link in the description. Check them out, you can download them for free. Hopefully, they will help you with your studies.